Hi, my name is Markus and I would like to welcome you to the newest edition of the Uffective Pulse. This is a short video update with which we would like to inform you about the latest developments in Uffective. You are probably aware of the following situation. You start your working day, you may boot up Uffective, and you may have one of the following questions. Which projects have been finalized in the last month? Which features have been prioritized? Who of my colleagues is available to work on a new product idea, or how many budget did we actually plan on all projects for this and for the following year? So all of us have different questions when we work with Uffective, but what unites us is that we're always working with a lot of data in Uffective. And in the past, you had to ask these questions again and again to basically get to your answers. And this is what we now have basically massively improved from our perspective, because you can now store those questions, you can store your filter settings and create your own data pools so that you have those answers with a click of a button each day and you don't have to search for them. And how that works, I would like to show you now with the following grid. This is the all items grid. I can access that all item grid via my topics. And you can see that this is quite a large, let's say, data pool here. I have different data sets. I have my epics in here. I have features, I have projects, meetings. So everything where I have access to. And the functionality will be available in all the grids. So this is not something which basically is exclusive for all items. But let's say I would like to know about the features where I have access to, and I would like to see these, let's say, features depending on their status. Then this is the view I'm now currently interested in, and I can save that view. I click here on that copy icon, and I say, these are the features. This is the name for basically that dashboard, for that menu item. And you can see now that I have created my personalized feature list, or my personalized filter settings on that large grid. And I can toggle to that and find it back easily. Now let's say I'm interested also in project ideas. So I'm looking for projects, but only the ones which are in the idea phase. And I would like to know when they have been last modified. Again, this is just an example, but that view basically tells me, this idea here, advanced data management, was the last one, or was the one which was altered on the 14th of March. If I now store that one, I click here on personalized menu items and I say ideas, altered, and I create that one. And then I can switch between those different views. So if you're no longer interested in one of those views, you basically simply delete them, and then that view goes away and you're back to where you started. We hope that we have improved, let's say, the accessibility of data sets in Uffective with this new feature. Internally, we call it user-defined menu items. You don't have to remember that, but look out for this symbol. It will be available in a lot of grids soon. And we're always welcoming feedback. So if you have any feedback on that new feature, please let us know. Enjoy the rest of your day and thanks for tuning in. Bye.